Okay, today it is 3/16/18. I guess I could put it that on the date, right? So we're going to have today's parabola in what we call vertex form. Love vertex form because it makes it so easy. If it's in this parentheses squared, the vertex is staring right at you.
It's already right there.
It's already right there. So remember, they put a negative here. They put a negative here because in math, that means opposite, right? That means opposite, okay? So sure enough, it's always going to be the opposite of this number. It's going to be the opposite of that number and then that one. So the vertex in this form, now they give you a form so that you can use it for anything, is going to be, the vertex just translates into HK, which could be any variety of numbers, okay? So the A in front just makes it either a stretch, taller, or makes it upside down if it's negative. So the A value makes it either taller or wider, depending on what A is, but the vertex is always these two numbers. It's so easy. I like this. Okay, so let's shift our paper over to number 9. Okay, everybody go to number 9. Okay, shift right over to number 9. Okay. Okay, graph the function, compare the graph to the graph of x squared. Okay, so right off the bat, let's take a look at the vertex. Before we do anything, there's an invisible plus 0 here. Okay, you all right with that? Now, we don't normally write it, but it's nice to see the plus 0. So right off the bat, I know my vertex, it's in this nice form, it's in vertex form, is simply going to be at -2, 0. That's my vertex, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and try and graph a little bit of this. Go ahead and put my xy axis right. So I'm going to probably try and put it in like this. My xy axis. Okay. And I know my vertex is at -2, 0. Let's see, where's my... So I'm going to go to -2 zeros right here. There's my vertex, okay? Now, it's going to be a smiley face because this number's positive, so it's going to go up, right? If this number was negative, it would be a frowny face. It would go down. And what we're going to do is, remember we did our 1, 1, 2, 4? But if I did my 1, 1, and my 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to have to stretch this parabola. We're going to stretch it. We're going to do a vertical stretch. So instead of 1, 1, I'm going to go 3 times as tall. So 1, 1, I'm going to go 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And of course, it has a line of symmetry, which always goes through the vertex, right? The line of symmetry always goes through the vertex. I'll say it again. The line of symmetry has to go through this. Has to go through, right? Does that make sense? Has to go through the vertex. So that means we'd have another point here, right? Because it'd be a reflection of a line of symmetry. And then we had a 2, 4, except we're going to be 3 times as tall, right? So instead of going 3, 4, we're going to go 3, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's off my paper, but that's okay. There it is. The vertex came from opposite of this and that -2, 0. We knew it was a smiley face. Goes up because it's positive. We also know it's 3 times as tall. Thumbs up? Okay, let's look at number 10. Okay, number 10. So if I look at 10, where's my vertex? Where's my vertex? Where's my vertex?
6, 4.
Positive 6, right? Nice job. Isn't this easy? Because it's the opposite of that, positive 6, 4. And then this one's going to be upside down, and 1/4 is tall, right? So, all right, let's see, 6, 4. I'm going to put my axes over here because I know 6, 4 is way over there. So I'm going to kind of make it this way so 6, 4 will fit on my graph, okay? And I'm going to go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my vertex, right? I know I'm going to have a line of symmetry through my vertex, always. So my line of symmetry is right there. And my line of symmetry is at x equals 6. So the line of symmetry is always the x value of the vertex, isn't it? It's got to be. My line of symmetry is always the x value, always, always, always the x value of my vertex, always, because it's got to go through the vertex, okay? Now, I would normally go, put this in lightly because I'm not going to do it. I normally go 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I would normally do my 1, 1, 2, 4 because 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, right? But I'm not going to do exactly that because it's going to be upside down, right? It's going to be upside down, and it's going to be 1/4 as tall, right? So instead of 1, 1, I'm going to go 1 and 1/4. I'm going to estimate 1/4, right? And of course I'll have another 1/4 over there, right? I'm going to normally go 2, 4, but I'm going to go upside down and 1/4 of that, right? Instead of 2, 4, I'm going to go 2, 1, but upside down. 2, 1 upside down, right? I'd normally go 3, 9, but I'm going to go 1/4 of 9, which is 2 and 1/4. I'm going to go 1/4 of 9, right? 1/4 of 9, which is really going to be 2 and 1/4. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, and 1/4. And so it really makes it what we call either a vertical shrink. This is either a vertical shrink. That's what the book says sometimes. Or it's a horizontal, or it's a horizontal stretch. Kind of both. We either shrunk it this way or stretch it this way, but we got the same result. We either shrunk it this way, we stretched it this way. And it was also a reflection of the x-axis, wasn't it? Okay? And so here's our parabola. Something like that. Okay. All right, let's look at 11. Okay. Where's my vertex? Where's my vertex? Let's do this one. Okay, let's just do this one. Where's my vertex?
-1 and -1.
Perfect. Yes.
In the fourth quadrant.
-1, -1, because it's the opposite of that, right?
3 times.
Yeah, and it's going to be 3 times and up, right? 3 times and up. So when I do my little axis, I'm thinking I probably better get it as far down. I'm going to do something like this. All right. I'm going to go like this. Okay, because I know I'm going to have to fit it. All right. So I'm going to go to -1, -1. Totally right. Nice job, Josiah. Okay. And 1, 1, 2, 4. 1, 1, 2, 4 would look like this. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 would look like this. But I'm not graphing that one, right? I'm not graphing that one at all. Because I got to go 3 times as high, right? So let me put in my line of symmetry. My line of symmetry is at my LOS line of symmetry. My LOS line of symmetry is at x equals -1. Oh, thank you. My LOS line of symmetry is at x equals -1, right? And then instead of 1, 1, I got to be 3 times as tall, right? Instead of 1, 1, I got to be 3 times as tall. So I'm going to go 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 times as tall. And of course, it has a reflected point over the line of symmetry. So I got another point right there. So 2, 4, I'm going to go 2, 12, which is probably going to be off my page, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, way up there, way up there. How's that? Okay. I want to do 12 also, because I think you guys see these are pretty easy. Would you agree? Okay, let's do number 12. Josiah, you're cruising on this. All right, let's cross this one off. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay. Vertex, Ben just said it. Everybody agree? I heard positive 3, negative 5. Thumbs up on that. Would everybody agree? Isn't this easy? I like vertex form, don't you? It's no work. You just take it out, but it has to be in this form. If it's not, we got to use the negative b over 2a. Okay. So, and then this one's going to be half as tall, so it's going to be squished down, but it's going to be going up. Okay, because it's positive. Okay. So let's go ahead and find 3, negative 5. So 3, negative 5. I might do something like this. Get 3, negative 5 in there. 3. Oh, I put my axes in the wrong place. Darn me. Anyway, I'll just make it work. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, I really blew that one, didn't I? Shoot. Just put my axes. I'm gonna get rid of this. Darn it. I don't think I have any erasers going to get rid of it, but I can use white out. I put that in the wrong spot, didn't I? I put that in the wrong spot. I'm going to put my axes way up here. I really blew that one. Of course, it's Friday. Hallelujah. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 3, negative 5. That works better. And now, instead of 1, 1, 2, 4, and then 3, 9, we're going to go half as tall, right? I'm going to go 1, 1 half. I'm going to go over 2, and half of 4 is 2. 1, 2, right? And half of 9 is 4 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4 and a half is right about there. Right about there. There's my vertex. There's my parabola. My line of symmetry just goes boom, 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 right? There it is. Okay. Let me turn the page real quick and check and see what's on the page to make sure I'm covering everything. Okay. Yeah. No, I think I got it, right? Now, let's play opposite. Let's play Jeopardy. Nope. We don't need to do this. We're done. Okay? We're done.
On my homework now on
Yeah.
the computer.
Yeah, let's get going on the homework on the computer. I'm going to stop the recording. I'll put this up.